Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Hannah if you are new here. If you are, just hit the subscribe button down below. Stick along for this YouTube journey. First off, I want to apologize if you hear any noise in the background. Of course, the lawn mowers are going. And then I also want to apologize for not uploading for a while. I've been really busy with exams for my classes, but now when I upload this video, they're going to be over. So I'm going to be uploading regularly from now on, and I'm really excited for some content I have coming up for you guys. But as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be apartment shopping vlog number 2. I'm actually going to IKEA today with my mom, and I'm so excited. If you guys haven't watched my first apartment shopping vlog, I'll put it in the little eye here and in the description box down below. You guys should definitely go check that one out because I got some good things. Alright guys, here's my mom. We just got to IKEA. Alright guys, so we're actually starting at the bottom floor because like that's the main stuff I need. I don't need furniture because my apartment is pre-furnished. This is like perfect because it has plates, bowls, and they're white. I just wanted like plain white ones because I can use them forever. Oh, here's the whole pack.
Oh, there you go.
Has like big ones, medium, small, and bowls.
Perfect.
That is perfect. And then I'm also gonna get this silverware. Should I get these?
Yep, those are perfect. Oh, these are way better.
Yeah,
that's fine.
These are better than measuring cups?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what about like this? Oh, there's so many little things we need. Good. This is like the most fun part of this bottom shopping down here.
This might be useful for you for
Above the microwave.
heating up food.
Yeah, I'd probably heat up food a lot. Happy utensils. Oh, this is $129.
Oh,
Those are so small though. I think this one's better.
Yeah, these are perfect. There's a lot of choices now, so.
I just need like one pot and one pan. Look at this. Wouldn't this be like perfect for me? It's like it's not too big. It's 14, oh it's 19, it's 20. Okay.
That should be pretty, that should be good.
Alright.
And then one pot, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I'm looking for.
Okay. That's like perfect and it's not too big either. Oh, these are like chip clips.
Chip clips. Oh, those are cute. You should get some of those.
Yeah. I like this one. Oh, they're all the same thing. Cute. Oh, I need like Tupperware containers for leftovers. These are cute little placemats. I like this one. Alright, we're looking at glasses now. I think we're gonna get these ones. They're just like normal. I think
those
that's
are
it.
Okay, put that in the cart.
Okay. Oh yeah. Hey guys. Sorry I haven't really been, well I've been vlogging but I haven't been like talking. It's just a little hectic in here to be honest. But I think we're getting some good stuff. I just got my first toolbox, which is kind of cute or whatever. Yeah, and it's only $10 and it has 17 pieces in it. So if I ever need to, you know, do my own thing, like a man, I can do it myself. I really like this lamp, it's Clav, but we can't find it. We found this one, which is the same one, but it's huge. And we want... Oh, I found it, I think. But I found it in silver. Oh my god.
They're all silver?
Yeah, that's definitely the smaller one though. I don't want silver though. That doesn't match anything in my room. Guys, we finally made it to the candle section. There's so many. Oh, what is this? This is just banana. That's really sweet. I'm getting like these ones to put in my bath because they look so cute. How much is this whole pack? There's so many cute plants here. We're in the huge warehouse section. Yeah, now we have to go find the furniture that we need, which is only like one thing. Alright guys, we just got one furniture piece. It's like the... it's all the way over there. You see the little square thing, but it's only with 9. It has the little cubes in it. We put baskets in. Alright guys, we're leaving IKEA right now. It's honestly pretty successful. We got like all the kitchen stuff and that one furniture piece I was trying to tell you guys. It's like this little, it's like a square thing that has little squares in it. And you put thingies in it that pull out drawers. That was the worst explanation ever, but I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about because everybody has those. Anyways, we're leaving IKEA now.
It's like a cube storage unit.
A cube storage unit. That's a really good name for it. And we're, I don't know if we're going to any other stores today, but we'll see. If not, you guys will come next time. Alright guys, we're at this Italian restaurant. We're getting bruschetta caprese appetizer. It looks so good. I got so much food. I got my soup, rolls, our appetizer. Our food hasn't even come yet. Alright, my mom got some pizza. I got some shells. We're literally grubbing. This is like the most we've eaten in this so long time.
Roma, baby.
Heading into Walmart right now. Alright guys, I finally found a shower curtain. I'm saying white. It has like material in it. And then we need a shower liner. We don't know which one to get. There's so many. I guess this one?
Yeah, just a basic one. I don't know anything crazy.
I don't know some of the options. There's so much kitchen stuff in Walmart, guys. Definitely come here. Oh, these are perfect. Do they come? Oh, they don't come together. How much is each one? I guess I'll need one though. Probably the bigger one just in case.
Yeah. You can always sell bigger.
So mixing bowls. We got a bunch of my bathroom stuff here. Trash can. And then I really like this. It comes with 2 dish rags and oven mitts.
And a pizza cutter.
And a pizza cutter, of course. Guys, definitely come to Walmart for kitchen stuff. Like, this is 2 casserole dishes for 15 bucks. That's a really good deal. And we got a bunch of little things too, like whisks and paper towel holders, all like under $5. Hey guys, so it's much later right now. It's like 7 o'clock and we left at 2. It was such a long day, but I'm so happy with everything that we got. Thank you so much to my mom for getting me all of this stuff for my apartment. I'm so grateful and I'm so excited. I'm not going to show you guys in depth because I'm going to be filming an apartment haul of everything that I bought together, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to me so you guys can see that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!